This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download Discord on your computer. So I'm right here on the main Discord downloads page. So you can find it at discord.com/download. I will of course put that link in the video description just below this video, so you can click the link and you'll wind up here. You won't need to search or anything. So it will know what operating system that you're on this download page, so it knows that I'm on a Mac, which is correct. But you can scroll down and there are some other options here. So we've got Mac OS, we've got there's a couple of different Windows versions there, and they also have a couple of different Linux versions as well. So you can pick your poison there. And if we scroll back up, like I say, in general, the operating system will be chosen for you. So if you have a Windows machine, you would download the Windows. This button will be different. It will say download for Windows for you. So I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to click this button and you'll see the icon just flew up there. That is the universal Mac download sort of symbol that flies up there. So depending on what browser you use, you will find the installer in your downloads location. I have Google Chrome, so my Mac sends directly to the downloads folder. So hopefully you found this video on how to download Discord on your computer useful. There are a range of different formats and options available right here, different versions. If you found this video useful, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like